So yeah, I don't know what's going on, but they just took my driver's license. This used to be a prison. And now there's a bouncy castle on the water. That tire, man. What do you say? Even my mother said I should get a new tire. Bye. Bye. People here are very friendly. Rumu, ex-prison. The reason I'm here, a new friend from the internet told me to go here, so I did. His name is Alex. He also happens to have a motorcycle shop, Rascal Motorcycles, and he offered, hey man, if you stop by Riga, come by, I'll have a look at your bike. And he also organized me a set of tires. How cool is that? What a great guy. 300 kilometers to Riga. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. Gas is way more affordable here. What is the E0? I haven't heard that before. 21 euro for a full tank? What a difference. Hi, how are you doing?
What's my driving license in the car?
Yeah. So yeah, I don't know what's going on, but they just took my driver's license and the papers for the bike disappeared in their car. So didn't really speak English, so I don't know. Yeah.
You don't have a drone?
I have a drone now.
Yeah, but...
And I have a license, drone license too.
No Norvēģijas viedoklis uz Vāciju. Vācijas pats. Ir jau klāt, davai. Jā, labi, davai. Viņš pat zina visu.
Jā.
It's air space.
Yeah.
No police.
No muscles.
No problem.
Tā tur rastīja, ka semniecina.
Okie dokie. Great. Goodbye. Thank you very much. Some guy called the police because he thought I was flying over his property. This is why they stopped me. It's crazy, eh? But it's all good. I explained them that I'm within my rights. I can fly everywhere I want in legal airspace. No problem, of course. And of course the police doesn't know that, because the police isn't trained for that. They don't know. So they just did their job, which is totally fine. I explained it to them, but they understood, they apologized, and all is fine. But that incident just shows how good it is to have the drone license and be educated about what you're doing. And then you're always good. If I wouldn't have told them my rights and where I'm allowed to fly and what's legal and what not, maybe they would have just told me off. Alright. Cool. See you tomorrow. Right, good to go. So I just had a chat with Alex. Turns out the tires might not come today. And it is also already late. I kind of like the idea to go there tomorrow morning. That means we would just have the whole day just to look at the bike, change the tire, and who knows, maybe we go on a little ride afterwards. I found a room right outside Riga, just 26 euro a night. I couldn't say no to that offer. See you there. Just wanted to say, like, the police were super nice and they just didn't know what to do, really. Somebody was complaining and they just did their job, which is totally fine, I think. Tomorrow I will be going to the repair shop, get new tires, and maybe we can fix the problem with the rattling. Don't forget to subscribe, and I see you in the next video.